What makes a ballet dancer look like they're dancing effortlessly while they do very difficult jumps, turns, and adagio? The key to this beautiful illusion is the upper body. In this video, we'll look at some of the ways you can make your upper body look graceful and poised. Hey, it's Daniel with the Swan Puddle channel. This is a resource for dancers of all ages and skill levels. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. There are two distinct aspects of any ballet step: the upper body and the lower body. The lower body does the steps, while the upper body embellishes and emotes. We call the movement of the arms port de bras. This is the first video in a series on port de bras. My second video covers the principles of port de bras. If you already know the basic positions and want to skip ahead to that video, click up here. Let's look at some of the most commonly used ballet arm positions. This is bras bas. Find it by placing your fingers about an inch in front of your thigh. The middle finger should have a space between them, which is the width of your forehead. Elbows are bent slightly to give the arms a nice oval shape, and they're not pointed back, they're pointed to the side. This is first position. Just move the arm shape from bras bas up until your pinky finger is in line with the bottom of your rib cage. In first position, the elbows are more bent than they are in bras bas. Think of holding a beach ball inside your arms, so you're creating a perfect circle. Make sure that your wrists are rotated in and up so that your palms are not pointing down, but pointing in towards the body instead. Fifth position is like bras bas and first. The arms are in a beautiful, elongated oval shape. The gap between your middle fingers should be the width of your forehead. To find the correct height of your arms in fifth position, place your arms in fifth, look straight ahead, and then lift your eyes. If you can see only your pinkies, you can't see any of your other fingers, then you've got your arms in the right position. Make sure your elbows are pointing to the side and not front, and make sure that your palms are facing in towards your body and not forward like this. This is second position. From first position, you just open up your arms to the side. The elbows should be just a little bit in front of your shoulder joints. Your elbows should be slightly bent and they should be rotating forward. Your wrists are rotating backwards, so the palms of your hands should be facing forward. To make sure your arms are at the right height, think about creating a gentle downward slope starting at your shoulders and ending at the end of your middle finger. If a drop of water flowed down the top of your arm, could it reach your fingertips or would it get caught at your elbow or wrists? This is Demi Second. The palms point in and the elbows point out and up. This is third position. One arm is in first and the other is in second. You can switch arms like this. This is third position as well. Fourth position is the combination of fifth and second positions. Like third position, it can be done with either arm in fifth position. With fourth crossed, just bring that arm from second to first. This position is not used too often, especially not in ballet class. There are three arabesque positions. The first one is first arabesque. The front arm is at eye level, straight in front of your nose. The elbow is pointed to the side. Your back arm in arabesque is a little bit behind your shoulder and a little bit down. When you look in the mirror, you should see that your arms complement each other in creating a line that slopes up in front of you. Your head should look past the tips of your fingers along the line that your arm creates. In first arabesque, the standing leg arm is in front and the working leg arm is to the side. Second arabesque is the same as first arabesque, but with two differences. The standing leg arm is out to the side and the working leg arm is in front. The head is tilted and looking over the front arm. In third arabesque, the standing leg arm is about eye level and the bottom arm is about in line with the bottom of your rib cage. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can see more videos like this.